The Caption by Hyatt in Osaka, Namba is a new hotel, opened in June 2024, located in the bustling Nipponbashi area of Osaka, Japan. The hotel is on the doorstep of Nipponbashi Den Den town, a district known for electronics, anime, and video games, similar to Akihabara in Tokyo, and you can walk out the door of the hotel and be just a few steps from the action there. It is right around the corner from a well-known Dragon Quest themed Lawson's convenience store and is in an excellent location to experience all this area has to offer. It is within short walking distance of Dotonbori, the district famous for its food and neon signs, and is a 15 or so minute walk from Tsutenkaku Tower and the Shinkansen area, another great food spot in Osaka. The hotel is also very close to the Namba City Mall and Namba Station, where you can connect to Osaka and Shin Osaka stations through the Midosuji subway line. Breakfast is not included at the hotel unless you're a globalist with Hyatt, and if you are, you order off a very limited menu. I only had two options. And while the breakfast sandwich and potatoes were excellent, I did not eat breakfast at the hotel my second morning there, and I would personally not pay for it when I stay again. I also found the beds to be a little firm for my liking, even though I like a firm bed. But the hotel is very clean, the service is excellent, and again, the location can't be beat. I took some video of the room to give you an idea of what to expect if you stay there. If you want to stay in the area but need or want a bigger room, check out our room tour of the Fairfield by Marriott in Osaka, Namba. I'll link it in the description below. We have more room tours coming in the near future, so please subscribe to the channel and give the video a like if you find it helpful. Okay, so this is the room tour of the Caption by Hyatt in Osaka, Namba. So this is a pretty new hotel. I'm here in November of 2024. The hotel's been open since June, and I used a guest of honor certificate on this stay. I'm not a globalist with Hyatt. It's kind of our backup brand, you could say. My wife and I are Marriott loyalists, but they did offer me a late checkout, 4 p.m. Did give me the free breakfast, but I did not get a room upgrade, which I had read online is not too common here. So anyway, this is just a standard king room, I believe. So going in here to the bedroom, doesn't quite look like a king to me. It's more, I guess, what I would consider to be about a queen. Here by myself for 2 nights, so not really a big deal, but and again, it's a new hotel. It looks new. It's really nice, really well done. You can kind of see the vibe they're going for here. There's a little bulletin board here. Nice table and chairs, or I guess it's a pretty basic table and chairs, but nonetheless, nice to have that space here, especially in what's a relatively small room. This hotel is pretty cheap. I'd originally booked a couple of other nights and had to cancel and rebook it, so I ended up paying a little bit more, but under $200 a night, and it's in the Namba area, which is a really cool place, I think. It's one of my favorite parts of Osaka. It's just down the road from Dotonbori, so I'm going to head up there tonight where all the neon signs are on the river and restaurants and things like that. It's also near Nipponbashi. If you're into like anime, video games, kind of that scene, kind of like Osaka's version of Akihabara, it's right here in the middle of that. So, and then it's also close to Sekai, which is another really cool food area near the Osaka Tower. Tsutenkaku, I think. I don't know. It's been a minute since I looked at that. Not planning on visiting that on this trip, but anyways, you can see it's pretty nice room. It is close to the train station, a couple of them actually. I came in on the Namba station, which is a direct line from Shin Osaka station, where you would catch the Shinkansen, the high-speed train, back to Tokyo or Kyoto, wherever you're going, if you're going that route. There's also another, I think it's Nipponbashi station is pretty close on another line. It doesn't connect direct to Shin Osaka, but it's also pretty close. So And the bathroom here is also pretty nice. Again, for a pretty basic hotel, I think this is quite nice. And as you can see here, there's a walk-in shower with a waterfall. And yeah, so not a real upscale hotel by any means, but very, very nice for what you're paying for, I think. I like again, the location is great. Vibe of the hotel's nice. Kind of some cool decor here, very appropriate for the location. So anyway, that is the room tour of the Caption Hotel by Hyatt in Osaka, Namba.